Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting both devices ready. Make sure the Samsung TV and your phone or laptop are on the same Wi-Fi network, because casting needs local connectivity. Next, enable the TV's screen mirroring, Smart View, or AirPlay option in the TV's network or connection menu. This makes the TV discoverable. Finally, on your phone, open Quick Settings or the app you'll cast from so the TV's name appears once visible. You're ready to initiate the connection. Once done, open Smart View, Cast, or AirPlay on your phone or computer and select the Samsung TV's name from the list. You do this because the source initiates the stream. If the TV shows a permission prompt or pairing code, accept it on the TV. This secures the link. After pairing, make sure the display orientation and audio output are correct on your source device. Adjust resolution or scale if the image looks cropped or blurry. You finish by stopping the cast from your phone or laptop using disconnect or stop mirroring so the TV returns to normal. If you see lag, flicker, or dropped connections, restart the router, Samsung TV, and the source device. This clears network congestion and memory issues. If problems persist, check the TV's firmware for updates and consider a wired HDMI connection or an external casting dongle for more consistent performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.